Hello, defenders. Welcome back where we hack, learn, and protect. So let's go straight into uncovering how attackers hide payloads inside images. Don't forget, this is just for educational purposes only. Welcome to steganography, where secrets are hidden in plain sight. We're going to uncover how attackers hide payloads inside files, and the tool that we're going to be using is EXIF tool in this case. And EXIF tool actually gives you the power to extract and write metadata from various files such as images, videos, and audio files. It can be used to modify camera information, GPS coordinates, and even edit or remove the data itself. So, additionally, EXIF tool allows for exporting metadata to different formats like HTML or text, making it a versatile tool for anyone working with file metadata. So let's uncover how attackers actually hide payloads inside images. So right here, as you can see, I have an exploit file right over here and I have an image file here. So I'm going to be hiding this payload inside this image. So let's see what the payload is exactly. So cut exit it and so right here I have this payload, and this payload can be used when trying to perform a code injection on in a server or system. So hiding this from a viewer's plain sight, we'll do exif tool and then comment. So I'm going to be adding it as a comment into the file. Equals exploit. Now the name of the payload that we want to hide, PHP, and then now we specify the image that we are hiding the payload into. That's the images. .jpeg. Then hit enter on it, and there we get one image files updated. So let's see. Now let's check the file itself and see if we have the payload inside the image. So this is our image. So exit tool. Exit tool images.jpg. So we get to see we have a lot of information displayed here, and here is our payload. Our payload is actually here, and notice that when you send this to when an attacker sends this to his victim, the victim won't be able to. Actually, this tool gives you a lot of information about your image or about your file, any type of file, be it an audio file, a video, any document. And this is how attackers hide files with payload. I mean, this is how attackers hide payloads inside files and sending them to their victims. And that is how attackers hide malicious payloads behind files. So, how do we defend against this? We don't try to block steganography itself. We control what happens to the untrusted files, validate them, re-encode images, scan them, restrict execution, and monitor for suspicious behavior. That's how you will defend yourself against it. Remember to hack, learn, and protect.